Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to convert simple logo into 3D in Illustrator. I have this Adobe Illustrator logo. Link to this logo mentioned in the description. You can click to download it. First, hold the Alt button and create a copy this rounded square. Then go to Effect menu, 3D and Materials, Extrude and Bevels. This opens the 3D and Materials panel. In the Object section, change position to isometric top. And increase the depth to around 80. Then click on this bevel button. And change the bevel shape to square outline. And decrease the width. Keep all the other settings the same. And go to the lighting. Follow my lighting settings here. To add more dimension by adjusting the settings for shadows. Now, I am going to render this design to see how it looks. Now select the AI text. And follow my settings here. And that's it. I hope you like it. Share your thoughts on this, and if you have any question, ask in the comment section. You head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.